quietly empowering the people. The Black Secret.
The next development was a Muslim sheikh from West Africa, Professor Sheikh Anta Diop. Diop is the pronunciation we use in English, but apparently Senegalese people say it's pronounced Job or Job. His book was called Pre-Colonial Black Africa. And he said that when you're writing about African civilizations, you don't make it a king's list. You don't start with this king and end with this king. You do it this way. You try and talk about depth. You talk about the politics. How was the society run? You talk about the economics. What products were people making? What money were they using? Did they have banks? Were they writing checks? These kinds of questions. You talk about the educational structures. Did they have schools? What proportion of people went to school? Universities, what were people studying? What were people researching? Male-female relationships, family structures, who was rich, who was in the middle, who was poor, the art, the architecture. These are the things that you need to talk about. And Professor Diop's model is the model that me and my colleagues used when we wrote Everyday Life in an Early West African Empire. As ever, if you want more information, click on the link below to subscribe to our course and join the most powerful Black History course ever put together, aimed at a global audience.
The Black Secret.